So, what's the deal with the observable universe? It's basically the part of the cosmos we can actually see and study with our gadgets like telescopes. The catch is, light, our main source of info, only travels so fast. That means we can only see stuff within a certain distance. We can't directly peep at things that happen way back when. They say the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. That's way bigger than the universe's age, which is around 13.8 billion years. This is because the universe is expanding, making stuff that used to be close move farther apart. Light from those objects takes longer to get here. Even though it's huge, there's still a ton we don't know. But with tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, we're learning more about the universe's structure, what it's made of, its history, and all sorts of crazy stuff that happens out there. Want to hear about a NASA structure that the James Webb Space Telescope just spotted? Stay tuned. If you want to stay in the loop with space news, hit that subscribe button like this video and ring the notification bell. Now, what's beyond what we can see? To get out there, we'd need some serious transportation tech to bend spacetime, like warp drives or wormholes. Scientists have been debating this stuff for ages. Some think it's impossible or goes against the idea of going faster than light. Even if it's possible, we'd need tech that's way beyond us right now. The theory of cosmic inflation says the whole universe might be 10 to the power of 23 times bigger than what we can see. That's a number so big it's hard to even wrap your head around. Since we can't see or measure it, we don't know for sure what's out there. But that doesn't mean we can't make theories based on what we've learned from far-off galaxies. That's where NASA comes in. NASA, with other space agencies and research groups, has helped us learn a lot about the universe. Even before the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA released some amazing images from the Hubble Space Telescope. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope is checking out the most distant galaxy ever seen. These images show tons of galaxies shining way out there, millions of years after the Big Bang. Because the universe is expanding, the light stretches into redder wavelengths, which the James Webb Space Telescope can pick up as infrared light. This lets us see galaxies forming in the early days of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has checked out many distant galaxies, letting scientists study how fast stars were forming way back then. The data showed that there were a lot of galaxies making stars in the early universe. It's mind-blowing. We've been wondering for ages if we're alone in the universe. These new finds make us think there might be millions of galaxies we can't even see yet. It makes you wonder about what's out there. Could there be aliens? With all these habitable environments and exoplanet discoveries, it's tough to say no to the idea of alien life. The James Webb Space Telescope even found water molecules on an exoplanet called WASP-96b. It also spotted signs of haze and clouds, which we didn't think were possible on a livable planet. Even though we don't have proof yet, the evidence makes the idea of extraterrestrial life pretty exciting. What about the multiverse? Buckle up, because the possibilities are wild. The multiverse is a theory that says there are multiple universes or dimensions beyond our own. It's usually talked about in quantum physics, which deals with tiny particles. Some quantum physics ideas say that when we observe something, it splits into multiple states, each a different outcome. Keep in mind, the multiverse is just a theory and doesn't have solid proof. Some scientists dig the idea while others are doubtful. Since we don't know what's outside our universe, the multiverse is as good a guess as anything. It's cool to think about, but we need more research to know for sure. What about this thing called dark flow? It's complicated. Dark flow popped up in 2008 as a way to explain why some galaxy clusters seem to be moving faster than they should, based on how matter is spread out in the universe. The idea is that some kind of dark matter or dark energy is pulling them in a certain direction. But dark flow is still controversial. Some studies say it might be real, caused by a massive structure pulling on galaxy clusters. Others haven't found it and think the motion might be from other things, like errors in our measurements. So, while some studies hint at it, we can't say for sure if it's out there. We need more research to figure it out. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. The edge of the observable universe is the farthest light can travel to us since the Big Bang. It's not the edge of the universe itself, just how far we can see. The universe might go on forever or curve back on itself, depending on its shape, which scientists are still trying to figure out. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is the farthest back we can see with light. It's the leftover glow from the Big Bang, showing us the universe when it was only 380,000 years old. It's a key piece of evidence for the Big Bang theory. If we can get past huge tech issues, we might try interstellar travel one day. Ideas like fusion power, antimatter drives, or the breakthrough Starshot project, sending tiny spacecraft to nearby stars with lasers, are the first steps. Even wilder ideas like warp drives or wormholes are being looked at in theory. Even though these are mostly sci-fi, they show how much we want to explore beyond the stars and find our place in the universe.